Littles. A little bit of seed, a little bit of water. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Peppy. Other kinds of seeds. Yum, 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 yum. And there's the daddy bird over there who's more interested in his wife that her eggs aren't fertile. I think because she's inbred. But that doesn't mean it won't happen, because she's a product of an inbred bird. But anyway, the male doesn't realize that the bird he, I guess you could only say had an affair with, she actually gave birth to two little, pretty little perfect babies, and the one he's sort of betrothed to, he feeds her. He's a good husband as far as feeding her and while she's sitting on eggs. And she's got about 7 eggs she's sitting on, and none of them have hatched. So it's kind of sad, but we'll give her another chance next year. And you know, they can have a couple of clutches every season, but I'd rather they just have one, because I don't have the room for that many babies. It's a little, and it's hard on them. It's a lot of calcium and things taken from their body. It's a lot of work, and there's more chance of there being a stuck egg, and I'd rather them not have that many chances to have that happen. So, but she feeds her 2 babies. She's like a single mom. She occasionally tries to get the male to feed her so she can feed the babies, but he doesn't really have any interest in it. He says, I've got a wife that I feed. Yeah, so I think the biggest of the 2 birds, who I call the littles now because they don't have names, I don't even know what their sexes are at this point. It looks like he or she is going to come out very soon. She's very curious around the doorway. She pokes her head out a lot and watches the other birds, and now she's trying to chew on things and chew on wood, get her mom's attention, or his mom's attention. Very sweet little birds. They're white and very soft blue. Beautiful.